My name is Lavenda Joy. I have a history of Kerongorori High School. Here it goes like this. The school is located at Kerongorori Village, Kenyanya Sub-County. The school started in the year 1977 by Thomas Obiri. The school had mere 7 students from Form 1 to Form 4. By that time, the school was a day school with few teachers due to performance in academics. Many students started joining the school. By then, the population of the school increased. As we speak now, the population in the school is about 1,500 students, led by Dr. Peter Nyamoko, our current principal. Dr. Nyakara BOM Chair, Academics and Co-Curricular Activities, especially in football, girls were able to participate in regionals and boys in county. In drama, the school managed to participate in regionals. The current population of the teachers in the school is 50, in which employed by the government and by the BOM. We congratulate our principal, Dr. Peter Nyamoko, for the great work he's doing, like the constructions of the girls' dormitory. Thank you.